Kakape tayo. Salamat, baby. Naaalala niyo pa ba to? Pag yung kalig ko nakakita sa akin, baka sabihin nila na I am crazy. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung night stuff. Maghihintay muna tayo. I don't know. Wala akong tripod ngayon. Oh, diba? Meron talagang baon. Ito yung breakfast ko. Sige na mga palangga, bye. Hello?
Hello. You see, I'm with a dog, waiting for you like a Labrador. Tail wagging, smile on the face.
Okay. What happened to your hair?
I've had welding mask on there. I've been welding all the chassis up.
Right. Look at your jeans now.
Well, I've been busy, darling.
Dirty.
Very, very dirty.
Very.
Yeah, so you don't cuddle me then.
Huh?
You don't cuddle me.
No, I don't want to cuddle you, but I want
Do you know,
to
you
kiss
said it was going to be a bad day.
But I want to kiss you. As usual.
Tongues. No tongues.
I am home. It's such a busy morning for us. But we manage. Mag-coffee muna ako mga loves. Yan. I just had my shower. So, pagpasansyahan nyo na yung pagmumukha ko. Hapon na dito. Yung oras dito is 3:45 na ng hapon. Gusto kong itry yung air fryer. So, sabi ni Jan, mag-roast potato tayo gamit yung air fryer. So, yes, we will try roasting potato in air fryer. Hala, uy, ano kaya magiging resulta? Crispy kaya ang potato. Ito yung potato na gagamitin ko. So, normally, pag nagro-roast potato ako, pinapakuluan ko tong potato. Then, half-cook lang yung potato. Then, ilalagay natin sa oven normally. Pero ngayon nga, nagamit tayo ng air fryer. So, that will be exciting, di ba? Nagpapakulo ako ng tubig kasi medyo late na tayo. Kasi kung magpapaboil pa ako ng tubig dito, it takes time, di ba? There you go. Kukulo na yan, mga 2 minutes. Si Jan nasa office niya. Busy, sobrang busy kasi nagpa-file na naman yan ng VAT. So tomorrow, meron akong trabaho. All day ako tomorrow, 14 hours. Natapos ko na pala yung unit sa part 1 ng phlebotomy. So, I'm excited. Nagtitingin-tingin ako sa course nila ng advanced phlebotomy. Kasi gusto ko kasi mag-proceed straight away after sa introduction of phlebotomy. Pero yung location ng advanced phlebotomy, malayo mga palangga. Yung pinakamalapit sa amin is 2 hours. One day yung course. So, parang ako naman is, hala, aatin kaya ako, ganun kalayo. So, on Friday, tatanungin ko yung yung provider kung meron ba silang courses, nag-offer ba sila ng courses around sa area natin. Yes? What?
4, 3.
I cannot hear you, Oy.
4, 3. 4 times 3.
Wow.
11.
11.
She's really good in maths, is our darling.
I am good in math. Very
Yes.
good.
She calculated very well to book me.
No, I don't like pressure. Every time, when I was studying, well, I can solve the problem slowly, but not like instantly I can solve it. Once I have solved the problem, someone already have solved the problem. So, I'm slow. I don't like the pressure.
She always has cold feet because she has to take her socks off to count.
And sometimes it's not enough. Both hands.
John, come here!
Yeah, come here.
Give me your feet.
Oh dear.
You need to bring them cushions in as well.
Yeah, we will do that after tea.
For the sick.
Oh, good news! Our neighbor's dog returned. Safe.
So just when, I don't know. I got a text message this morning saying it arrived home.
Yeah, that's good. So, parang nagpahangin lang siguro yung aso ba or nagtampo lang siguro. Then bumalik lang daw, sabi ng kapitbahay namin. Tama na yung potato. Tama na siguro yung potato. Yan. Marami na, sobrang dami na nga yan. Hindi namin yan mauubos. Right. Basahin natin yung instruction. Before first use. Oh my God, 200. Just 90. I put 190 yung temperature. Oh my gosh. Oh dear. Once preheated, remove the cooking. Preheat the... So, does it automatically preheat? Yun na ba? Oh my gosh. I think. I'm not sure, but let's see. We will leave it alone. Magpo-focus muna tayo sa ating tea. So, yung tea natin, yung main tea natin is chicken. So, yung chicken, lalagyan ko lang siya ng onion and gravy at ilalagay natin siya sa oven. Try. Uy, ang sakit ang mata ko dahil sa onion. Gagawa din ako ng cauliflower cheese. Transfer ko na pala yung yung potato sa isang pot. I-check natin yung air fryer. Hindi talaga ako sure nito ay mainit na ba? It's not hot or anything at all. So, that's it. Yan. Naririnig nyo ba? So, preheat natin mga 5 minutes. At the moment, ito yung onion ko para sa chicken. At yung cauliflower. Yung potato, mga palangga, nilagyan ko siya ng kaunting oil. Lalagyan natin yan ng seasoning. Ito. Konting garlic powder. And konting asin. Right, so mainit na yung air fryer natin. So ilalagay na natin yung potato. Oy, ang tagal. There you go. Yan. Balik natin. Yan. So, we will set a time. Let's say, ano ba naman to eh? Yeah. 30 minutes.
A few minutes later.
I-check natin yung roast potato natin. Wow! Look at that! Very roasted. Oh my, I did not expect this. Hinaan natin yung apoy kasi malakas yung apoy. Hinaan natin ng konti. 80 na lang. Yan. Naghihintay na lang tayo sa ating niluto. Medyo late tayo. 10 to 5 na, pero okay lang yan. Tingin-tingin muna sa sa social media. Dapat talaga mag-i-study ako, pero later na lang kasi pag gutom ako, hindi ako makaka-focus sa pinag-aaralan ko kasi yun nga, yung nasa isip ko pagkain. Sino makaka-relate dyan? Dapat kung mag-aaral ka, dapat busog yung tiyan mo. Lahat ng pinag-aralan mo, papasok sa utak, promise. Titingnan natin ulit yung potato natin. Nag-aalala na ako sa potato ko kasi parang ready na talaga siya ay. Yan. Ito pa rin yung niya, parang ganito pa din siya nung first check natin. Yan. At least hindi siya masyadong sunog or crispy pag ready na yung chicken natin at yung cauliflower cheese. Kasi may, may 15 minutes pa yung natin, chicken at yung cauliflower cheese. Nagbi-beef na yung, yan. Turn off na siya. Magbi-beef pala siya din tapos automatically off siya. So, ready na tayo mga loves. Sandali lang ha. Papatayin ko yung oven. Papatayin talaga, no? Yung cauliflower cheese natin. There you go. So, cauliflower cheese. The chicken and mushroom. And roast potato. So, yun yung tea natin. Kain. Be careful with that. It's hot.
Not even crispy.
Are they not crispy?
No.
Oh no! Oh, I thought they're crispy. Sorry.
Mm.
That's enough potato for me. That's enough. That's enough, I said. It looks like it's not a good combo, this is. But never mind. Ang busog ko eh. My tummy is aching. I'm so full.
Well, you shouldn't be lying on me then.
I'm not lying on you.
Lying on me, touching me.
No.
You were.
No.
Touching.
Kailangan natin lumabas.
Touching things you shouldn't be touching.
Stop it! I did not do anything.
My wallet. My wallet. You're mine. What's so wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with me. You're accusing me of things.
Wallet.
There's something wrong with you. I don't know if yung sinampay natin tuyo ba. It's damp. Still damp. I don't know why I bother hanging them outside. Kasi parang hindi siya dry. They feel very damp. Cold sila. They feel very cold. Naalis sila. They're going out for a walk. Sa mga tao pa lang tatanong kung bakit namin nilalak yung mga pintuan namin. Kahit nasa workshop lang kami or nasa sa loob sa bahay. Nilalak namin kasi for the safety. Kasi nakikita nyo naman na wala kaming kapitbahay dito. Malayo yung kapitbahay namin. So yun na. Prevention is better than cure. Sabi nga nila. Ilagay natin yung mga yung mga clothes dito sa chair. Yung air fryer natin, ibalik natin sa cupboard. Tuyo na ba to? It needs wiping. Kasi yan o, nakikita nyo, may tubig. I'm so sleepy, I don't know why, but my mind is just thinking of work tomorrow and it makes me sleepy. How much more doing the actual job? Nakaka-stress. Oh, I need to do a care plan tomorrow. Kasi, I am one of the key workers sa residence namin. Well, two residents. I am key worker of the two of our residents. And I have to review their monthly care and support plan. So, yeah, another job to do. Kasi, every first week kasi dapat nire-review siya. Every first week of the month. And, yeah... Oh, pasensyahan nyo na talaga I did reduce my hours now. I gave up one of my 14 hours yung whole day. Kasi, give up ko yung day na yon kasi every Friday kasi nag-work ako 14 hours. Every Friday, nag-work ako 14 hours. So, one of the Friday, give up ko siya. Yes? Huh? Cushion? Yeah, can do. Okay. Sabi ni Jan na kukunin daw namin yung cushion sa barbecue house. Kasi, this year, na talaga hindi kami nakapag-barbecue. Pasensya na kayo sa buhok ko, sobrang buhaghag. Yan talaga yung natural hair ko. Makapal at buhaghag. Tingnan nyo yung mga bata. That's it? Thank you. Yan, lahat sila. Kailangan na lang silang i-vacuum mga loves kasi maalikabok sila. O, nakikita ba sa camera? Maalikabok sila. So, lilinisin natin yan. Iba-vacuum natin yan. Tsaka natin ibabalik sila sa loft. There you go. Bye-bye! Sinabi kong bye-bye kasi ewan ko kung kailan pa siya magagamit ulit. Hala, it's been a while na hindi natin nabisita yung melon natin. Bibisitahin natin Tuesday. Hindi ko muna bibisitahin ngayon. Kasi baka ma-excite ako. Tomorrow kasi, wala na akong time para bisitahin yung melon natin kasi all day nga ako. So, Tuesday na lang kasi day off ko. Day off ko pero madami pa rin gagawin. So, after sa NVQ ko mga palangga, I will proceed to functional skills, math and English, and I will try to chase up my access course kung kailan ko siya masisimulan. Nagtanong nga yung assessor namin, yung assessor ko, na gusto ko ba daw mag-proceed ng level 3. Sabi ko sa kanya na there's no point of proceeding the level 3 if I cannot use it. Kasi hindi na sila tumatanggap ng NVQ. So, kung mag-proceed ako sa level 3, it's another money na naman. Kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako yung nagbayad sa NVQ ko, hindi yung employer ko. Kasi, when I start my NVQ, yung employer ko, they are required, para mabigyan kanila ng funding ha, dapat 3 years ka sa trabaho. Hindi ako 3 years, hindi pa nga ako 3 years sa trabaho ko eh. Magto 2 years pa lang. So, gusto ko nang gawin yung course. So, ako yung bumayad sa course ko. At about naman sa government funding, hindi ako allowed mag-claim ng funding dito. Kaya nga, minsan, overtime talaga para may mga panggastos sa mga course. Kailangan talagang gumastos kung may pangarap ka, di ba? Mahirap kasi mag-aral kung ikaw lang talaga. Ikaw lang yung gagastos. Pero aabot tayo doon mga palangga. Kaya natin yan. Tiwala lang.